Hey guys, today I will talk about how to draw a hot anime boy's ear. Did you notice that everybody's ear look different, but there is always something in common? For example, the ear position, which is always in between his eyebrow and the bottom of his nose. Another trick you can apply when drawing the ears is the ear equation, which is C plus Y plus V. Is that easy to remember? Ear equals to C plus Y plus V. However, you can draw any patterns in the ear. As long as you add proper shading and lights, it will look nice. Let me show you what I mean. First, we apply the ear equation when drawing the outlines. Ear bones are represented by solid, clear lines, but the inner ear depths and the folded lines appear to be lighter and weaker. Coloring the ear is also important. I normally add 2 degrees of skin-colored shadows, then add the highlights on the edge of the ear. Underneath the yellow lights, there is pink color to indicate the high temperature. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye!